inertia, chemical reactions. Are these words giving you sudden headaches? Well, not for these guys. 让孩子在无压力中又充满娱乐性，平行下吸收课程。At dahil love ko ang science at thrill, game na akong itry ang mga summer experiments. I'm Static Stephanie and I'm here with
Ketone K-An
and
Java Jao.
We teach science while letting the kids have fun. So there's science learning, and then we let them do activities for themselves. So they tinker with things and stuff, so they enjoy while they're learning. Our mission is really to encourage the kids' interest in science. Yun nga, by letting them play and have hands-on activities, ganon. Kasi sometimes when you study science, yun nga, it seems na it's boring kasi you just study the concepts. Tapos puro concepts lang. You don't really, no? Yes, you don't really get to see it in action. Pero science naman kasi is a very universal subject eh. So, ayun, so we just have the modules and then we follow the experiments and the procedures there, and then we do it here.
So, anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Yeah. So first off, we'll start with the exploding bubbles.
What we're going to do is we are going to do bubbles. I know most kids like bubbles, but
I like
then
bubbles.
we are going to put a twist on it. We are going to put fire, the element of fire in it. So how do we do that? Inside this flask is a base. Now this is called caustic soda. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add water. This is just plain water, which is H2O. There will be a chemical reaction that will take place, and that is what we call an exothermic reaction. If you would like to touch this one, there's already a chemical reaction that takes place.
Touch it there.
Ay, oo nga, mainit na.
Now, what we're going to do is we are going to fasten the reaction by adding a catalyst. Now, our catalyst for today is a metallic element, what we call aluminum foil.
Yan, it's actually producing bubbles na inside.
Ay, oo.
And as you can see, we have here our soapy solution.
Yan na, meron na.
Ayan. So, nagkakaroon na siya ng bubbles. So, actually, yung bubbles na yan, ang laman yan is the hydrogen gas.
I'm gonna do it myself?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yan lang.
Clear!
There!
I know most kids have seen rocket ship. Have you seen a rocket ship?
Rocket ship sa TV.
It's a TV, but then how about a real rocket ship?
In real life, not yet.
Not yet. But then, how do you think, what makes a rocket ship fly?
The pressure from the heat and
Exactly, very good. So, we're going to try to replicate what that one is. So, this will be our rocket ship. Again, 3 ingredients. The first one is we have fuel. So, this is our fuel. The second one is something that we inhale. What do we inhale? Air or oxygen. So, and of course, what is the last one? Of course, we need heat. So, I need you to hold this one. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to combine the fuel and the oxygen inside. At a count of 3, I need you to lit up our
okay.
rocket. Ready?
Go.
2, 1, go!
Am I on the moon?
That is a good example of combo.
Wow!
Since we're talking about exothermic reaction, let's play with chemicals, okay? I have here 2 cylinders. Now, in 2 cylinders, I just put a little color. This is just colored water. What we're going to do is we are going to add a chemical called hydrogen peroxide. You know what hydrogen peroxide is?
Bleach ba yun?
Actually, yes.
Yeah.
It's used as bleach. Now, it's commonly known as agua oxinada. We use it in wounds. But what we're going to use right here is a lab grade. So that means it's around 99% pure hydrogen peroxide. So, on the solution, would you like to
Colored water?
Yes, this is colored water. Would you like to touch the chemical? It's still
Room temperature.
room temperature. There we go. Now we are going to add
Hydrogen peroxide.
Alright, now, of course, we need some soap as well.
Ah.
A little dash of soap. There we go. How do we do this one? Of course, we are going to add another chemical, which is potassium iodide. Now, potassium iodide will serve as our catalyst. Now, this
We'll
is
dissolve it in water first.
potassium iodide, and we are going to dissolve it in water.
So this is just plain water.
Colored water.
Yes, colored water.
So, of course, the finale. Okay,
yeah.
what we're going to do, I need you to open this one up, then at the count of 3,
Pour it in.
pour it there. Again,
Alright.
boys and girls, do not do this at home. Ready? And 4, 3, 2, and go.
Turn back.
Actually, it's just slow.
Wow.
Pero, wait for it, wait for it. And
Musok.
there, see?
Wow.
It's getting bigger.
Look like
Ta-da.
a smoothie.
It's so pretty. Can we touch it? No.
No.
Okay, don't
As you
touch
can
it.
see, it's smoking.
Yes, I
kasi
think it's hot.
Yes. It's another exothermic reaction, which means a chemical reaction that releases heat. Actually, if you put your hand near it, medyo mainit.
yes.
Yes.
I'm not gonna
So
go
there.
here.
Ayan.
There you have it, Chinoy Barkada, ang ating super explosive na experiments na talagang nakaka-amaze at I had fun ha. Join us again next time for more fun and excitement on Chinoy Active, only here on Chinoy TV. 废话电视台